Elderly St. Elizabeth couple robbed in home invasion. Crash on Washington Boulevard. Pedal cyclist hit by truck. St. James man arrested after lotto scam task force raid premises. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Junction Police in St. Elizabeth are searching for men who robbed an elderly couple on Sunday morning. According to reports, about 1:40 a.m., the couple, aged 76 and 70, was awakened by strange sounds inside the house and saw a man standing beside their bed. More details to come following further investigations. A pedal cyclist was rushed to hospital after he was hit by a truck while traveling along a section of Washington Boulevard in Kingston on Monday. Reports are that the wheel of the truck ran over a section of the man's body. Following the incident, a team of police officers were seen working together to place the injured man into the back of a car. His condition is not known at this time. Detectives assigned to the lottery scam task force arrested and charged a man in St. James for breaches of the Law Reform, Fraudulent Transactions, Special Provisions Act following a series of operations in the parish on Monday, June 26. Charged with possession of identity information is 29-year-old Mark Lando Lamy of Valley Heights, Green Pond in St. James. Reports are that during the operation, which commenced at 10 a.m., Lamy was found at a premises in Cornwalls Court, Montego Bay in the parish. An on-site analysis of his cell phone reveals several files with identity information of persons residing overseas. Consequently, this led detectives to Lamy's residence in Valley Heights, where documents populated with names, addresses, and telephone numbers of persons residing overseas were found inside a dresser drawer. He was subsequently arrested and charged. His court date is being arranged.